What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be guiding you through basic makeup brushes that are needed by beginners. I feel you don't need to buy 15 different brushes to do your makeup. You just need to have 5 basic brushes to start with, and then later you can explore the idea as your fondness grows for makeup. In today's video I will be doing my makeup using only 5 brushes and if you're interested in knowing what are those brushes that are needed, then continue watching. I have already prepped my skin, so the first brush that you need is a foundation brush, and I'm using this brush for a while now. This is from the company Swiss Beauty. You can go for any dense flat brush for your foundation. Choose a foundation brush which is dense and flat at the same time so that it's easy to blend the foundation in. So this is what I'm using currently from the company Swiss Beauty. This is such a nice foundation brush. The bristles are very soft and it blends the foundation beautifully. So that's what I love. So after blending my foundation, the next brush that you need is a concealer brush. Now for a concealer brush, I've been using this brush. This is from the company Puna Store. This I got it from Amazon and I've been using it. So I like to have a concealer brush which can focus on that specific area, and so that brush needs to be very small, which can like directly go under your eyes and over your lid, and like it's easy to blend. If it's a small brush, it's easy to blend and it can go into the areas that you want. You know, if it's a big brush, then it's a problem. Foundation brush cannot target the areas that you want to target. So this is perfect for that. It is very flat and small, so it can focus on that specific area that you want to conceal. After putting the concealer, I'm going to powder my face, and for that I'm not using any brush. I think it's perfect to use this to powder your face in the beginning, and then later of course you can explore more. I'm done with my eyebrows because you don't need any brush for that. And after this I'm going to take a crease brush for my eyes, and you just need one brush to do that. You don't need 5 different brushes to do your eye look. I have another option here which is from the company Allure, and it's perfect crease brush. It should be a little fluffy. This one is a little big as compared to this one, but I love this. This is not available in India, that's why I'm showing another option. This is available on Nykaa. You can try this. Actually, I'll try this one only today. There's one thing that you should be careful when you choose one eyeshadow brush. When you choose one color, do it on both your eyes and then change color. So it should not be like you're finishing off with one eye and then you're starting, because all the colors will be like in that brush and it will not give the same result as the other eye. So it's always advised when you use one eyeshadow brush, choose one color, put it on both the eyes and then change color. So whatever amount of eyeshadow which is left on the brush, I'm going to just brush it through under my eyes. Now after doing your eyes, if you feel that you need to add some glitter on your eyes, then you can always use your fingers to do that. After doing this, I'm going to apply kajal, mascara, and I'll be back. So for blush, I'm using this brush currently. This is from the company Real Techniques. This is very soft, there's volume, and perfect for putting blush on my cheeks. And the last brush is a highlighting brush, and I'm recommending this brush. This I got it from Amazon. This is very cheap, but the bristles are very soft and it does the job. So it's very easy to use. You just dip it and put it like wherever you want to highlight. So this is what I recommend for highlighting your face. So there you have it. These are the brushes that I recommend for beginners. One is your foundation brush, then your concealer brush, then your eyeshadow brush, and highlighting and blush brush. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If it was, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.